In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an inline comment in Confluence. Inline comments are perfect when you want your feedback tied to a specific word, phrase, or sentence, rather than leaving a general note at the bottom of the page. This keeps conversations focused and makes it easier for teammates to understand exactly what you're referring to. Start by opening the Confluence page where you want to leave your comment. Make sure you're viewing the page in its normal reading mode, not editing, and that you're signed in with permission to comment. If the page is restricted, you may need access from the space admin before your comment will stick. Next, highlight the exact text you want to comment on. Click and drag your mouse over a single word, a short phrase, or a full sentence, whatever best captures the point you want to discuss. The more precise your selection, the clearer your feedback will be. If you accidentally grab too much or too little, simply release and try the selection again until it's just right. Once the text is highlighted, look for the inline comment option that appears near your selection. It usually shows up as a small speech bubble icon or a comment prompt. Click it to open the comment box. You'll see a panel or pop-up that's anchored to your highlighted text, confirming you're in the right spot. Now type your comment. Keep it clear and actionable. Briefly state what you've noticed, why it matters, and what you recommend. If you're asking a question, make it direct so the person reading knows exactly how to respond. A little context goes a long way, especially if someone is catching up later. If you need a specific teammate's input, mention them right in the comment. Type the @ symbol followed by their name, then select them from the list that appears. This sends them a notification and makes it obvious who you're inviting into the conversation. You can mention more than one person if collaboration is needed, but keep the thread focused. When you're happy with your note, click Save or Comment to post it. Confluence may label the button differently depending on your version, but the effect is the same. Your comment becomes visible to others with access to the page. Finally, confirm that the comment appears beside the highlighted text. You should see the text marked and a comment bubble in the margin. Hover or click to preview and ensure it's attached exactly where you intended. That's it. Your inline comment is live and ready for review.